Elaine here with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an interactive reindeer card with the Reindeer Days Suite. Here is my interactive reindeer card. When you stamp the reindeer, they originally come together, but I separated them, but soon to be reunited with a kiss, I have made it interactive. So I'm going to show you how I put this card together. First, I'm going to do some blending using Pull Party. Just going to kind of blend the top here and more so on the edges. And then I'm going to use the cute little snowflake stamp, and I'm just going to stamp that all over the sky and dot the sky with snowflakes. And so definitely turn it in different directions when you stamp so it looks more random. Get it down in there and then go here and then down the edge a little bit there, so that we have room for our trees. So I've used the trees from the Peaceful Evergreens stamp set to stamp our little background here. So I have these trees in the background here. So I'm just gonna stamp those, and I'm gonna stamp them in the garden green to create some depth here, so it looks like they're behind the other ones. I'm gonna do this large one in Granny Apple Green here. And then this one I'm gonna do in the garden green. Just gonna stamp another one in there. And then again in the Granny Apple Green for the shortest one. And then this will be layered on a Pull Party cardstock base. So I have a 5 1/4 by 3/4 piece that's going to be the slider. And then this piece is 5 1/2 by 1 1/2. And I used the beach dies to cut out the wave. And this label that I used for the sentiment came from the Something Fancy dies. These have really good labels. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment in real red, and then I'm going to use dimensionals to pop that on the card base. So I've stamped the deer in early espresso, and I'm just going to trim them apart. So we're gonna trim the baby deer first and just kind of go around the ear. And then we'll trim off the little pieces from the mama deer. Now we're gonna color the deer, and I'm gonna start with the dark petal pink for the ears. And then for the ears, I'm gonna do a little bit of the light melon mambo. And a little bit of the dark melon mambo. I like the color that it gives the ears, makes them look super cute. And then I'm gonna take the dark petal pink again and kind of blend that in right there. Kind of tie those colors together a little bit. And then I'm gonna use the light crumb cake for the belly. And around the mouth, and starting on the tail, and then also on the feet. And kind of same thing for baby. Just Just a little bit on the tail, a little bit on the belly, a little bit kind of around the mouth, and a little bit on the hooves. All right, to finish putting this card together, I've put mini dimensionals on the mama's feet and placed her on top of our little snow bank here. And then our baby goes on a window sheet that's a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inches. So there's a little glue dot right there holding the baby. And then the other glue dot is attached to our pull strip here. So the baby can glide along and give its mother a kiss. And then inside, I have used the adhesive foam strips, and I've only placed one on the left side and on the bottom, and then right here by the mama, because the baby, well, maybe, yeah, right by the mama, because the baby is not going to really go beyond the mama. And then this is just on dimensionals. And so that is my sliding deer card. Super cute. I'm sure your friends would love to receive one. And I hope that you enjoyed this video.